Hey everyone! Welcome to the Super Easy English Podcast.
Welcome. I'm Gabby.
I'm Marcus,
We are so happy you are here with us today.
and today we are talking about something everyone knows, but something not everyone does well.
Yes, we are talking about time. How to use your time better every single day.
Because have you ever had a really busy day and then at night you think, wait, what did I actually do today?
The day just disappeared.
Exactly, and that is what we're going to talk about today. Simple tips to help you feel better about your day.
But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button. And please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot. It really does. Okay.
All right, let's go.
Okay, Gabby, I have a question for you. How do you feel most mornings?
Honestly, sometimes I feel tired before the day even starts.
Why do you think that is?
Because the night before was too late, too much phone, too much Netflix, too much everything.
Ha, me too. And this is very common. We stay up late and then the morning is really hard.
Yes, and then we blame the morning, but the morning is not the problem.
Right, the problem started the night before.
Exactly. So our first tip is very simple. Try to sleep at a good time, because a good day usually starts the night before.
Think about it this way. You cannot drive a car with no fuel, and you cannot have a good day with no sleep.
So tip number 1 is protect your sleep. Try to go to bed just 30 minutes earlier this week. Just 30 minutes.
Small change, big difference.
Okay, Marcus, one more question. What is the very first thing you do in the morning?
Oh no, I pick up my phone.
Me too. And that is the problem. Because when you pick up your phone first thing, your brain gets very busy very fast.
Messages, social media, news, notifications.
And suddenly you feel stressed, and you are still in bed.
That is painfully true.
So tip number 2 is this. Do not pick up your phone right away in the morning. Wait 10 or 15 minutes first.
Use that time to drink some water, breathe a little, think quietly about your day.
Your brain needs a calm start. It needs time to wake up before you throw the whole internet at it.
Yes, a slow, calm morning makes a big difference, even just 10 quiet minutes.
So try it tomorrow. 10 minutes without the phone. See how it feels.
You might be surprised.
Now here's another very common problem. Too many things to do.
Oh, yes, the list that never ends.
And when the list is very long, what usually happens?
You feel overwhelmed. You don't know where to start, so you don't start at all.
And then you feel bad about it.
And then the list gets longer.
Exactly. It becomes a cycle. So tip number 3 is this. Every day choose only 3 important things to do. Not 10, not 20, just 3.
3 things you really want to finish today. 3 things that matter.
And when you finish those 3 things, you feel successful. That feeling is very important.
Because that good feeling gives you energy to keep going, to do even more.
So keep your list short. 3 important tasks. That is enough.
Trust me, 3 is more powerful than 15.
Okay, let's do a quick practice right now. I want you to think about tomorrow.
What are your 3 things for tomorrow? Think about it. Say them in English.
For example, I can say, tomorrow I want to exercise, study English, and call my friend.
Simple, easy. 3 things.
Write your 3 things in the comments below. Practice your English right now. We really want to see your list.
Gabby, do you take breaks during the day?
Sometimes I forget to, and then I just crash.
Yes, because when we work for a long time without stopping, the brain gets very tired.
And when the brain is tired, we make more mistakes, we think slowly, we feel frustrated and a little bit angry at everything.
Someone asks you a simple question and you want to say, please, not now.
Yes, exactly. So tip number 4 is this. Take small breaks. Every hour or so, stop for 5 minutes.
Get up, walk around a little, drink some water, look out the window, breathe.
Small breaks help your brain reset. After a break, you work better, you think better, you feel better.
Breaks are not wasted time. Breaks actually protect your time.
So do not feel guilty about resting. A short break now is much better than a big crash later.
Okay, let's slow down for a moment and look at some useful words from today.
Yes, because we want you to use these words in real life, not just understand them.
First word, overwhelmed. When you feel overwhelmed, there is too much to do and you don't know where to start. For example, this list is so long, I feel overwhelmed. Repeat, overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. Good.
Next word, energy. Energy is the power you have to work, think, and move through the day. After a good sleep, I have a lot of energy. Repeat, energy.
Energy.
Next phrase, make a difference. When something makes a difference, it changes things in a good way. A short break makes a big difference. Repeat, make a difference.
Make a difference.
And our last word today, protect. To protect something means to keep it safe. Protect your sleep, protect your energy, protect your time. Repeat, protect.
Protect.
Beautiful. Try to use these words this week. Even one or two is more than enough.
These are words you can use in real conversations, real situations, real life.
Okay, so today we talked about 4 simple tips to help you use your time better every day.
Tip 1. Protect your sleep. A good day starts the night before.
Tip 2, don't pick up your phone right away in the morning. Start your day calmly.
Tip 3. Choose only 3 important things to do today. Keep your list short.
Tip 4, take small breaks. They protect your energy and your time.
These tips are simple, but simple works.
And you don't need to do all 4 at once. Just choose one. Try it this week. See how it feels.
One small change can make your whole day feel different.
And now it is your turn. We want to hear from you.
In the comments below, write 3 things: your name, where you're from, and 1 tip from today that you want to try.
For example, hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Brazil. I want to try tip number 2, no phone in the morning.
It's easy, and it's great English practice. We read every single comment. We love hearing from you.
And if this episode helped you, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Because sharing is one of the nicest things you can do for someone who wants to grow.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
This is Gabby.
And this is Marcus.
And you are listening
To the Super Easy English Podcast. Bye.
Super Easy English Podcast.